Good day and welcome to Bite Size. As a leader, you and I are supposed to travel light. Many times on this journey that we call life, we surround ourselves with a lot of baggage, with a lot of stuff that we carry with us. And it makes us to struggle to do life effectively. So today I want to remind you, let go of the baggage in your life. Lay down, travel light. A healthy leader will be able to lead a healthy organization. If you're unhealthy, if you're traveling with a lot of weight, you will struggle to lead effectively. May you be the best leader you can be and travel light.